Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. If we have the prices, links, and SKUs, you know the drill guys. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So make sure you capture and take a screenshot and check with your CAs. So I'm inviting you guys to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, happy to share new batch of Louis Vuitton upcoming bags. Prices, SKU features, and launch dates are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for availability. Thank you to Foxy LV, Gem LV, Aloha Lux Mama, LVX Val, Sarah Bo, Maddie74 for sharing these. Happy shopping, guys! Let us start first with the new exotic collection, Spring Summer 2024. Everything would be launched next year. So first we have the Alma Duffel. Price is 55,000 euro. Wow! So we have the SKU here. The entirety of this collection would be made of this exotic leather finish. We had the Keepall 25. Price is 27,500. So this is a Keepall 25 size. Comes with a bag tag, detachable strap in the same exotic leather finish. Guys, what do you think of this colorway for this new collection? We have the Sac Plat. Please stay tuned for the price and SKU. So it features the exotic leather finish, comes with top handle, bag tag, and detachable leather strap in the same exotic leather finish. So this one, I believe, is a little bit bigger than the Petite Sac Plat. Then we have the steamer wallet. Stay tuned for the price. We have the SKU here. Same exotic leather finish. It comes with the gold hardware with gold chain, and we are going to see it comes with the crossbody that is fully adjustable. Next, we have the Brazza wallet. Price is 5,200 euro. Exotic leather long wallet, and we are going to see the gold LV hardware in front. We have the multiple wallet for Spring Summer 2024. Price is 3,900 euro. We have the SKU here. Exotic leather wallet with gold LV hardware in front. We have the pocket organizer. Price is 2,400 euro. It features the same exotic leather finish. It is a wallet and it has the gold LV hardware logo. This one I love. This Walk the Runway, the first collection of Pharrell. So we have the PUFFY MM. Price is 33,500. We have the SKU here. Exotic leather finish, slouchy detail, top handle, shoulder strap crochet with gold LV hardware. We have the Trail Messenger. Price is 30,500. So launch date of this collection would be 2024. Exotic leather finish that has a top handle, shoulder strap, and a giant clochette with the gold LV hardware logo. Next, guys, we have the Neverfull MM. I have discussed this previously, but we have more details now. So this is the wine empreinte leather. Price is 2,710. Launch date August 4th for US and in Europe September 1st. Next, we have the Speedy 25 bandolier. Price is 2,710. What I love about this collection, aside from the upfront leather, it features the giant monogram. So this one comes with top handle and it has a detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next, we have the Sac Sport. Features wine upfront leather. Price is 2,720 USD. It has the giant monogram and we are going to see that the shoulder strap is fully adjustable. It has the clochette and it features gold hardware as well. We have the on-the-go MM. Price is 3,400 euro. Giant monogram in this upfront leather. Shoulder strap, top handle with gold hardware finish. Next, we have the new bag. We have the Twist MM. Price is 5,100. Kindly stay tuned for the price. So this is a new bag of LV, entirely made of lambskin leather, puffy design, gold hardware, and Louis Vuitton twist lock with the leather strap over here. We have another design, Oxford. So I have discussed this on our previous vlog, but more details here. Price is 3,050. We have the SKU here and we have it in comparison with the pochette métis. It has the cognac leather, gold hardware, LV twist lock, leather strap, and gold chain. Then from the Fall/Winter 2023 collection, first we have the Petit Mal Plat de Rue. Price is 7,000 euro. As we could see here, we have the SKU. So this is a Petit Mal design with the LV logo Plat design, top handle with gold hardware. And then we have the Lexington. Price is 2,060 euro. We have the SKU here. So this is a pochette style, monogram canvas. Then we have the logo Plat, print design, gold chain, and it comes also with leather crossbody. Next, we have the Petit Mal Capital. Price is 3,800 euro. We have the SKU here. How beautiful this Petit Mal is. It comes with the leather top handle. It has the monogram canvas with leather trims with gold braided chain and leather crossbody. Next, we have the Micro Mal Capital. Price is 8,000 euro. We have the SKU here. So this is a micro Petit Mal with vachetta top handle, gold hardware with vachetta shoulder strap. Then we have the Vanity Case. Price is 7,000 euro. We have the SKU here. It features the monogram canvas, leather trims, gold hardware, gold chain, leather strap, launching July 28. Next, we have this bag tag from the Fall/Winter 2023 Runway. Price is 370 euro. It is a bag tag in monogram canvas with logo Plat printed design, launching July 28. I could see also that it has gold hardware. This one I really like. So we have the chain bag charm. Price is 615 euro. We have the SKU here. We have the gold chain, multi-charm. As you can see, it has very cute multiple charms. This is so really cute. There, so guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a smiley with heart eyes emoji. I would really appreciate it. So guys, among the beautiful bags of Louis Vuitton that will be up and coming, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Abelia, thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!